Hi, this is Gaurav Naik. Welcome to yet another YouTube video in my channel. So first we'll have a look at the data and then we'll look at the technicals. So this is today's 15th of March 2023 and this analysis is for tomorrow 16th of March 2023. So first let's have a look at the monthly data. So monthly option chain the highest put open interest is at 17,000. So this is having 50 lakh put open interest. So this 17,000 is going to be very important for the market. If in case market sustains below 17,000, this monthly put writer will be covering, which can put further pressure on the market. However, if there is any kind of bounce back and market sustains around this level, then we can think that there will be enough support from this put writer. So now let's look at this current week data. So current week, if we see, this is 17,200, which is having the highest call open interest, so that is going to be resistance. And on the put side, now the highest put open interest is at 16,800, so this is going to be support for this expiry, which is tomorrow based on data. So if you look at the total open interest, 7 cr put writing and 15 cr call writing, so it is kind of double call writing. So data is very negative. So what happened today? Today, if you see the data, again 72 lakh put writing and 1.53 cr call writing. So again today more call writing has happened. So if you see here, almost 17,200, 17,100, 17,000, everywhere there is enough, significant call writing. And highest put writing has happened at 16,900. But as compared to the call, the put writing is very less. So as this is Wednesday, let's have a look at next week open interest also. So next week, if you see the total put rating is 1.23 cr and total call rating is 2.13 cr. So more call rating again, which is negative. And on the call side, highest highest call open interest is 17,500. So next week, any kind of bounce, this is going to be the resistance zone. And put side, the highest is a 17,000. So as we looked at on the monthly, and also next week 17,000 is having the highest put open interest, so this is going to be critical. If market sustains below that, we can expect further pressure on the market. However, if there is any kind of recovery and market sustains above 17,000, this put writer will provide enough support. So if you look at the monthly 3.97 cr put versus 3.73 cr call writing has happened. So in monthly there is support from the put writer, and monthly today there is a put unwinding and call writing. So monthly data is also kind of negative. So 17,000 is now going to be very critical from data wise. If market sustains below that, it will put further pressure. So for any kind of strength, market needs to come back above 17,000. So tomorrow is going to be very tricky, this being expiry. So for expiry pressure on the downside, market need to sustain below 17,000. But however, if it's somehow comes back above 17,000, then we can think, okay, this level could provide some kind of support for at least few days. So yesterday we also saw that we had discussed about this pivot. So this is tomorrow's pivot plotted on today's data. So this might be confusing for you for today's pivot. So we'll look at today's pivot here. So yesterday we discussed that if there is any kind of bounce to this R1, that could be a good zone for support. And also today in my free Telegram channel, you can go to the about section of this YouTube video and you can find the link to my Telegram channel. This is free. There I have written that, in case the initial range low is broken, one can go short with stop loss few points above day high, and that worked out very well. And market from R1 fell till S1. So for tomorrow, R1 is coming around 17,140 and this pivot is coming around 17,040. So trend in data down, but however, for a fresh short, it is better to always wait for a bounce till this R1 or at least till this pivot 17,040 to 17,140. This should be the zone. Anyways, let's have a look at few other data points. So if you look at this FIDI case and future data, In total, they have bought 889 CR. So data is not that negative, irrespective of what's happening in the US market. If you look at call addition, there is 59,000 call addition. Sorry, minus 59,000 call addition. That means we have 59,000 call writing has happened, and put also there is significant writing. So both FIs have written both calls and puts. So before this was before 3:30. So before 3:30, the data was kind of suggesting sideways. But then we have to look at what's happening in the US market and how markets open tomorrow. So it is also very very important that we give much importance to the intraday data. So in case you are interested about the intraday data, you can have a look at my Telegram channel during the day, where I keep posting about intraday data. So now if you look at uh, change in PEC for Nifty, it is 92 lakh minus, which is negative. Max span has come down to 17,100 from 17,200, which is again negative, but this is very very important. Put call ratio is 0.67, and as we saw, net FIDA data is positive. And then in the monthly, we saw that highest put open interest is 17,000. Also, next week highest open interest is 17,000. So in case there is any kind of reversal and market sustains above 17,000, we can think of that this could be a minor support for few days. So even though data is negative, trend is down, we better need to wait for a bounce, because put call ratio is oversold, and data is also not that negative, that cash and FI. I'm not suggesting about market is bottomed out and we should buy. It's about waiting for a bounce for fresh sorting opportunities. Similarly, Bank Nifty data PC change is minus 95 lakh, which is again negative. Max span has come down by 300 point from 39,700 to 39,400. PCR is again here oversold. So for tomorrow, idea should be in any kind of bounce, look for new sorting opportunity. At least bounce. We need a bounce till 17,040 to 17,140. That should be a good zone for sorting. And in case there is no recovery and market remains below 17,000, then it will really put but, more pressure on the market. So we have to look at the intraday data also. So do follow my free Telegram channel in case you want those pre intraday data updates. So that's all for today. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor if you are taking any kind of trading decision based on this analysis. Thank you.